the pressure in one pipe, in one air pipe, and the wind chest has valves in it, so the valves will change to, you know, maybe it's normally like that, and when the drops the pressure, it makes the valve do this, so the air comes out of the pipe instead of coming out of the pipe. Instead of coming out into the open, it comes into the pipe.
Oh, that's thank you.
It's very cool. Hello! Oh, nice to see you.
Thank you.
I don't know exactly. Yeah. That's a handy little thing. I ought to get myself something like that for my cards. I don't have, you know, I've got my cards, but I don't have a.
It's 1992-93.
So it's a bit newer than mine then.
It's not old.
It's a bit newer than mine.
Mr. Pell lived in South Lincolnshire, so it's British as well.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Whereas yours is German, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Ooh. Getting it tight enough, isn't it? I've had a couple of, the last time I've had this wheel in Germany and it came off, and I had a beer in my hand and the wheel came off here. I was sat down and I wasn't playing it, I was actually just dead off. Is it the same key or not? It's the same arrangement and then just exact same. So the one I've arranged isn't the same key as the 20 notes. Ah, very nice.